So here it says connection failed, wrong password for Mukesh 5G. So here what you need to do is just tap on OK. Facing the Wi-Fi problem, then you just move on setting and scroll to connection and sharing, then scroll on the down, not here, click on the back, scroll down to system setting, then you have to move on this backup and reset. After you tap on backup and reset, click on here reset phone, then tap on here reset network setting, then click on reset network setting. Okay, I'm not resetting because my Wi-Fi is working successfully, that's why I don't want to reset it, because I don't want to face same problem. Okay, here tick mark, and right now my Wi-Fi is working successfully. If you don't believe, then I just want to play some videos. Okay. So my YouTube is set password, that's why I want to just move on Google and search here something like flower. So here my network, it's working right now, and if you're still facing, then you can check your Wi-Fi, whether your Wi-Fi is recharged or not, or you can even call your customer care. Okay, so friends, hope you loved the video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.